Welcome back to another part of the tutorial. In this part, we're going to be incorporating our app with the Firebase database. And so to do this, go to firebase.com and you must have a Google account because Firebase works through follow me, or you can read the documentation. But I'm just going to walk you through it like this. I'm just going to go to Add Project, and we're going to call this one Secret App, and we're just going to press Create Project. It might take a little while, depending on your internet speed. I know mine is super slow all the time. Alright, and now we're going to get started up here. It's going to say add Firebase to your iOS app, and that's what we have, so we're going to do that. And now this first part is asking for your iOS bundle ID. So that bundle ID is what you use when you first created the app, but you could also find it over here and where it says bundle identifier. So we're just kind of copy and paste that and then put that like that. And then the rest of these are optional, so you don't really need to do these. And then you're going to press register app. And then now it wants you to download this plist file. And so I'm going to download that quick. And I've downloaded a couple before, so mine has a little bit of a different name. I'm just going to change the name real quick. It wants you to move it to your root folder. So you're going to bring it like this. Go back to your Finder, find your Google service.plist file, and then I'm going to put it right under here, under the other info.plist. And then I'm going to do that, and then go back, and then I can continue. Now it wants you to do your terminal. The easy way to do that is press Command and space, and then just type in term, and then terminal should pop up. Alright. And now this wants you to navigate to the file. It wants you to navigate to your folder of your iOS project. So to do that, you're going to do it like this. You're going to go, first you're going to type in CD, that means change directory, press space, and then just drag from your project to here. And then here you could actually press LS and it'll show you everything that you have in there. You want to back up one, so you could just go CD dot dot, and then press LS again, and then you'll see you're in your root folder. And so now you're just gonna do what it says here. It says type in pod init. And so when you press in pod init, Google will start doing its magic and working its job. And pretty soon, the way to find that is through here. Go to your documents, go to secret app, and this is that pod file that you just downloaded. So go to that pod file, open it up, and it should be text like this. And go here, and it wants you to copy and paste this in there. So I'm going to do that, go back to the text editor, and then I'm going to go to just somewhere down here. Right here is fine. Just going to put that over, and then I'm going to save it. And then once I do that, I could just type in this pod install right here. So pod, go back to my terminal, press pod install. Let Google do its magic again. And it's going to install all these folders into your product. And so now it says that it's done. And here it says that this creates a XC workspace file for your app, and it wants you to use this file for all future development. So you could just press continue. This should be done. I'm going to go to my Xcode. I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go back to Xcode. I'm going to open it. You're not going to use that no more. You're going to go back to your documents. Then you're going to go to your secret app, and you're going to look for your secret app.xc workspace. Don't get it confused for this one, but XC workspace. You're going to open that, and that's what you're going to be using from now on. And then you're going to go to open up your folders, get to your app delegate, and then you did finish with launching with options. First, you're going to do what this says here. says import Firebase. So you're going to do that, copy that, paste that in there, and then it wants you to do Firebase app.configure. And I think this is actually a little out of date. So actually I think it's just FIR app.config or something like that. I don't know. Let's try typing it in. So I'm just going to do FIR, wait for the autocomplete to come, and it's yep, fire app, and then .configure like that. And now I'm just going to run my app, but it should be configured now. And it'll still be working the same. So just let this run for a little bit. Go to your simulator. And you're not going to notice anything different, but your app still works. That still works, and it still works. Go back, go to settings, log out, and everything still works. I'm just going to rerun it. And so now we're going to test if Firebase is actually configured into your project. So by that, we're going to start with our login page.